In this video, we will learn how to open MS PowerPoint. First, click the Start button. A menu appears. Select My Office from the menu by scrolling. Then, select PowerPoint under the heading Apps. Click on Blank Presentation and the PowerPoint presentation appears. Thank you.
PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows you to create dynamic slide presentation that include animation, narration, images, and videos. We'll also show you how to use and modify the Quick Access toolbar in addition to learning how to create new presentation and open existing files. PowerPoint uses slides to build a presentation. To create an engaging presentation, PowerPoint allows you to add text, images, charts, and videos to your slides. You can add as many slides as you want to your presentation. And at any time, you can view or play back your presentation by selecting one of the slideshow options. In PowerPoint, the ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups or commands. Some tabs, like drawing tools, appear only when you're working with certain items like images. We will learn more about PowerPoint presentation in the next videos.
In this video, we get to learn about Microsoft Office PowerPoint. The software name Microsoft Office PowerPoint is built into Microsoft Office. The software is used to prepare presentation for different purposes. In this video, we will also show how to insert new slides and how to do it. Well, this is how your screen looks like when you open up the Microsoft PowerPoint. On the top left corner, you can see Save option, Undo option, and Preview options. So that different tools are also there, like File Group with different options when you click on. After clicking over it, you will see different options like Save, Save As, Open, Close, Information, Reset, New, Print, Save and Send, Help, Options, and Exit. After that, it comes the Home tool. By clicking on that, you can see different options available like the code options, slides options, font options, paragraph options, drawing options, and editing options. As well as different tools are also present here like Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and Read. The important note just to be noted is that if you place the mouse pointer on any of the tools, that is the icon shown in the toolbar for a short while, you will see a banner. A banner which shows the name of the tool, and this is a way to find out the required tools for it. Well, once you have done that, it means now you are not new to the Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Now, we'll start preparing the slides. As you can see that you have already been given a blank presentation with a default file name as Presentation 1. In these, two text boxes are present, which is known as placeholders. As also written in the text boxes, the first one is for heading title and the second one is for subhead. Now, we have to write within the text boxes. For that, we have to first click within the first text box and type the first line as Microsoft Windows XP. Microsoft Windows XP. After that, just click anywhere outside the box. Once you have clicked it, we'll go to the second text box and write down welcome to help. Once you are complete with it, just again click anywhere outside the box. For setting the fonts, just set the font to Arial by first selecting the text and then clicking on the font toolbar and font size to 41st, we'll select the text over there. Once it has been selected, we'll go to the font toolbar and then we'll set it as Arial. And the size is already 44. So this is what the font size toolbar does, and so that the slide looks similar to one below. Now our next job is to prepare the second slide. To do this, you need to click on the View Slide option in the menu bar. You can carefully see then if you see carefully, you can see a small arrow at the lower right corner of the icon. When you click this, a small pop-up menu opens up. The name of this task page is off screen. This menu actually allows you to add new slides to your presentation. Each and every slide layout has its own name, which is shown along with the slide layout. Second comes the duplicate slide option. In the same figure, you can see duplicate selected slide option. When you click this, Microsoft Office PowerPoint will duplicate the slide that is currently displayed on the screen. The new slide will be a photocopy of the old one. This option is used when you need to add a new slide whose contents are almost similar to the previous one and very few changes are to be made in the new one. Therefore, in the duplicate slide, you can easily make the necessary changes those are required and just forget about the rest of the things as they're similar to the previous one. Well, this makes your job faster.
Video, we learn how to insert a picture. Well, to do this, click on the Insert option on the menu bar, then click on either Picture or Clip Art. See the list displayed on the right side of your screen. Click on the Go or Search option. This will display all the pictures available in your computer. Like, we are searching for flower. Now, we'll go for it, and on the screen, we can see two pictures of flowers. Simply click on the one you like. The selected picture will automatically come onto your slide. If you see that the picture is not displayed properly, that is, it is overlapping with the text and objects, with the help of your mouse, hold the picture with the handles, drag it by clicking on the object, and holding the mouse button, drag the object to the desired place on the screen. Now, the picture has been positioned into the desired place. You can also go for the pictures which are available on your computer. Just go for the pictures. As you can see, the different pictures. Now, go and select the picture you like. We have selected one picture. As you can see, we have to resize the picture because it is overlapping the text. Resizing can be done by selecting the appropriate height and appropriate width. we have resized it. Now, we place it into the desired place. So, our picture and clip art has been inserted now. In the previous video, we learned about how to insert new slide as well as how to insert. Our next job is to add bullets to text width. To do this, select all the 4 lines written in the third box. Now, click on bullets in the paragraph section on the menu bar. Well, this will give you the dialog box shown here. From the dialog box, choose the one you like. If you notice the bullets and numbering dialog box, you will see 2 separate segments. The first one is where all the bullets are shown, and the second one is at the bottom of the dialog box with bullets and numbers written in it. The first one is used to place symbolic bullets, but to click on bullets and numbers, then another dialog will pop up which will give you the option for numbered bullets also. This feature is used when you want to number certain lines of text. Well, there are different types of numbering patterns available. When a bullet is attached to a line, all other lines that follow the line will have a bullet attached with it until you stop. Remember, bullets are used to give emphasis to a particular part of a text. Always use bullets sparingly so that it catches the eye of the reader. However, at the same time, it is not necessary to use bullets to put emphasis. There are other methods also to it like bold, italic, underline. Like first of all, we are showing bold, italic, and underline. But it is not necessary now to be this remove. To change the bullet type, click on the bullets and numbering again in the dialog box shown here. Then click on either picture or customize to get a different bullet from what is given in the list. The picture button actually gives you some colored pictures which you can use as bullets for your text. The customize button also gives you some different types of bullets, but they are not colored. As you can see, the option of size is also available which you can use in terms of percentage of text, and as well as color option is also given from which you can just change the color of your bullet. So, this is how it looks like. Thank you.
In this video, we will learn how to add charts in MS PowerPoint. Now you will be preparing a slide with a graph in it. To do this, follow these steps. On the home menu itself, click on New Slide and choose the blank slide option from the menu. You get a new slide which is absolutely blank. At the top of the slide, draw a text box and type the heading Sales Analysis Column Chart within the text box. Now go to Insert menu and click on Chart icon. Choose the desired one from the list given. PowerPoint will immediately prepare the desired chart for you with some dummy data. Also with the chart, you can see the data sheet which looks exactly like Microsoft Office Excel workbook. This is the sheet where you change the graph data if required. You must be thinking how to modify the chart if required. For that, take the mouse pointer somewhere on the chart and click it. The extra three options, that is design, layout, and format, will pop up again. In the design segment, you have a button named Edit Data for You. Click the button to open the Microsoft Excel worksheet, which is having the data for the chart. As you modify the data in there, the chart will be affected automatically. Once you are through with the modification, close the Microsoft Excel worksheet. Also, if you want to change other options of the chart like axis, grid lines, legends, data labels, etc., try them one by one by clicking on them and see what you can do with them. Thank you. In this video, we will learn how to put animation effects in MS PowerPoint. Create a slide as per the following. Insert the picture of an airplane and animate it in such a way that it enters the screen from the lower left corner and flies out from the top right corner of the screen. To do this, you need to put at least 3 different animation effects together onto the same object. Follow the instructions given here carefully. Insert the picture of an airplane from the clip art option in the Insert menu. Move the object to the lower left corner of the screen. Select the object and then click on Animation in menu bar. This will open up the animation task pane for you. Now you need to decide how the pane will enter the screen. From the list, choose Fly In. Select the Add Animation option and then select More Motion Paths on the bottom of the list. From this list, choose Diagonal Upright. Can you see a motion path line drawn with the object? Click on the line and extend it to the top right corner of the screen. The last job is to decide an exit for the airplane after it reaches the top right corner of the screen. Select the same object and click on Add Animation again. This time, from the list, choose Exit. From this list, choose Fly Out. If you view the slideshow right now, you will see that the airplane is coming into the screen from the lower left corner, then flying towards the top right corner of the screen and exiting from the bottom of the